If there is no staff shortage, then why the bank has declared 3 Gujarat zones as deficit zones? That's the question the All India Bank of Baroda Officers Union is asking. And they are backing it with hard data. Today, we break down their explosive report that reveals a massive staffing crisis, falling employee morale, and what they call the management's double standards. Bank of Baroda is one of India's largest public sector banks. But according to its own officers union, the AIBOBOU or All India Bank of Baroda Officers Union, the bank is facing an unprecedented shortage of manpower. Despite public statements denying a shortage, the bank itself has classified 3 out of its 4 Gujarat zones as deficit zones. The union says this contradiction points to a deeper problem that can't be ignored. Here is what the numbers say. The total business of the bank as of financial year 2024-2025 is 24 lakh crore rupees, and the current officer strength is around 38,500. So the current business per officer comes out to be 62.3 crore rupees, while the prudent sustainable benchmark is 45 crore rupees business per officer, which means the required officer strength is 53,333. That's a shortfall of nearly 14,833 officers. So the proposed recruitment of just 5,000 officers won't even cover half of the gap. Over the last 4 years, the total employee strength has dropped by 8,275 staffs, from 82,017 staffs in 2020-2021 to just 73,742 staffs in 2024-2025. This decline comes at a time when compliance, regulatory workload, and customer expectations have increased dramatically. Fewer people are now doing more work than ever before. The report describes extreme customer handling ratios between 1147 and 2200 customers per officer. Officers are often left alone in branches, managing multiple roles from customer service to regulatory compliance. Leave requests, even for illness, are hard to be approved. The union also flags abrupt transfers, opaque promotion policies, and toxic work culture as major contributors to stress, mental fatigue, and even health issues. AIBOBOU has released what it calls a solution oriented, data backed, and constructive intervention blueprint. It proposes the following points: immediate recruitment with rational workforce planning, reopening central recruitment and manpower committees, transparent transfer and promotion policies, strengthening CVS and rural support systems, setting realistic targets in line with branch potential, overhauling the appraisal system and HR policy for fairness. The union is urging formal meetings with top management and zone-wise officer working groups to implement these reforms. They also want awareness campaigns to ensure employees know their rights and the realities of staffing. Their message to management is clear. This is not just a union demand, it's a business necessity for operational stability, service quality, and regulatory compliance. Bank of Baroda Officer Union's slogan is growing with the bank. But according to its officers, that growth has so far been reserved for the top executives, while the workforce that runs daily operations has been overlooked and overburdened. The union says it's time to restore the true spirit of the slogan, ensuring every officer's contribution is valued and their growth aligns with the bank's progress. What do you think? Is this just union pressure or a wake-up call for India's banking sector? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the banking industry.